Now in this question, we are asked to find the number of distinct integral values of n satisfying the given expression. So I am going to modify the given expression to simplify it. So I am going to write this as 3 minus log of 2 to the power 2 n is less than 0. That means I can write this as, using one of the identity, I can write this as 4 minus log 2 base n and 3 minus 1 by 2 times of log of 2 base n to be less than 0. Then I'm going to consider log 2 base n. I'm going to assume a variable for this because I have log 2 base n common in both numerator and denominator. I'm going to assume this as a. Then this expression will become 4 minus a divided by 3 minus a by 2 to be less than 0. Simplifying this, I'll get 4 minus a into 3 minus a by 2 to be less than 0. Further simplifying is going to give me 4 minus a into 6 minus a to be less than 0, or else a has to be greater than 4 or less than 6. And what is being taken as a? Log 2 base n is being taken as a. So log 2 base n has to be greater than 4 and less than 6, and simplifying this is going to be 2 power 4, and this will become n has to be less than 2 power 6, and 2 power 4 is 16 and n is greater than 16 and should be less than 64. So that means number of possible integral values, distinct integral values of n will be from values from 17 all the way up to 63. Total of how many numbers? 47. So answer for this question is 47.